Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you my favorite high-end and drugstore nude lipsticks, which I think is perfect for all skin complexion, especially medium skin tone like mine. I think this will be very helpful if you're after a nude lipstick. But before I start, if you haven't already seen my MAC nude lipstick collection, then I will leave the link in this video here above, because I won't be sharing any MAC nude lipsticks, but I will be sharing other options. So let's start with the drugstore. Here are some lipsticks from Gosh Cosmetics. I'm not sure if they still sell Gosh in the drugstores, but they have the nicest nude options. So I have here the shade Antique and I have the shade Cinnamon. These are my favorite lipsticks and they smell like chocolate. So this shade is in Antique. And this shade is in Cinnamon, which is a nice autumn nude. Next we have a lipstick from Maybelline and it's in the shade Naked. It's a matte formula, but it's not drying at all. It's super creamy and it has a nice pink undertone. Next we have a NYX Cosmetics lipstick and it's in the shade Free Spirit. This is super creamy on the lips. It glides on so smooth. When it comes to drugstore nude lipsticks, this is my favorite brand and it's the Bourgeois nude lipsticks. I love every single nude formula that Bourgeois has come up with. So I have these ones which are lip creams. I repurchased them several times and I have two which are the same shade. It's in the shade 17. And I have one which is the shade 31. So I'll swatch the shade 17. It is called Cool Brown. It is the perfect nude. It could go with any outfit. I think I actually purchased this off Amazon because I couldn't find it in stores. Very comfortable on the lips. And then this is in the shade Flory Beige. It's definitely a true beige colour, but I wouldn't wear this alone. I would wear it with a deeper lip liner. So that's Flory Beige. And we have two Bourgeois lipstick options, and this is in the Rouge Velvet lipstick and it's in the shade Hey Nude. It's very similar to the Flory Beige in my opinion. It's like a lipstick version of it. And here is the other lipstick, which is Abracadabra Beige. Now those were my drugstore options, and now we're going to go into my high-end nude lipstick. First up we have Hourglass, and here is the very viral gloss balm and it's in the shade Sense. I love this lip balm. It's very comfortable on the lip and it gives a nice shine. Now we have the Hourglass Unlocked lipstick in the shade Peony. Here is the Anastasia Lip Velvet in the shade Peach Amber. I love the formula of this lipstick. It's in the middle of a liquid lipstick and also a lip cream. We have the Fenty Beauty Lip Paint in the shade Uncuffed. This applies very liquidy, so you have to be very careful when applying. And it takes some time to dry, but the colour of this is so beautiful. I love it. And when it dries down, it does not budge. Now we have two Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipsticks, and one is the original Pillow Talk shade and the other one is a medium. So this is the original Pillow Talk and this is Pillow Talk medium. This is the way the original Pillow Talk looks on my complexion. I do like it, but I felt that I needed a deeper shade, which is the reason I purchased the Pillow Talk medium. Swatch Pillow Talk medium. Now, if you're after the most long-lasting liquid lipsticks, then Huda Beauty liquid lipsticks are your best bet. I have 3 shades here. I have the shade Sugar Boo, Trendsetter and Bombshell, and these are amazing. They will take some time to dry, but I'll show you the shades. This is the shade Sugar Boo. Now, it does look a little bit crazy. It's very nude, but I don't wear it by itself. I wear a lip liner, and I actually just apply this on the center of my lips to give that perfect nude color. I feel like it's the most perfect cool nude in my collection, because most nude lipsticks tend to go very brown or very orange on me, so this is a very nice shade. This is the shade Bombshell. And lastly, this is the shade Trendsetter. These are amazing. It's super long lasting. If I want to go to an occasion and I know I will be eating a lot, then I'll definitely go with this liquid lipstick because I know it won't budge. That reminds me, there's also Maybelline liquid lipsticks which I ran out of. They have the best liquid lipsticks in the drugstores. I wore one of the red shades for my wedding and I had it on for like 12 hours and it was not budging. At the end of the day, I was trying to take it off and my lips started hurting because of the way I was just scrubbing the hell out of it. Anyways guys, so that was all my nude lipsticks from the Highend and Drugstore. Do let me know in your comment what is your favorite Drugstore nude and what is your favorite Highend nude lipstick. I love having different options of nude lipsticks. I don't think any girl could have enough nude lipsticks in their collection. So thank you for watching, and if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you and bye bye.